This is the dome cap I'll be using for my wig, you guys. Don't know why his map is open like that. It looks really funny, but this is the cap. As you can see, I have placed the dome cap on my mannequin head, and I just pulled it down pretty far. And so the first thing I will be doing is sewing down my closure. So that's what it looks like. So this is the closure that I'll be installing to my wig. It is by Rio, and this is Virgin Hair. It's Virgin Brazilian hair. It's 10A quality, and I purchased this hair from the Discount Beauty Outlet on the west end of town. So yes, I'm gonna do that first, and then I will get to sewing. So I have sewn the closure to the dome cap, and I've only sewn it on one side. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I pull the closure as taut as possible, as tight as possible, and I'm going to sew the other side down. And then I will go in and I will sew the back down after I've sewn both sides down. So now I have my closure sewed onto my cap, and it's on there. I have a little ball, so it's out the way. That's pretty much it. So I'm going to sew the rest of my tracks on here, and that's going in. Okay. So I'll show y'all what it looks like when I get done. So sis is almost complete. That's the front. It still got the little fake baby hair on there or whatever. I haven't cut that yet, but I am almost done with my wig, y'all. I got this little piece right here, but all the rest of it is complete. It is, yeah, some inches it's long. But yes, I'm almost at the finish line. Now we're gonna cut this band off. Cut that band off. Now that the band is off, I cut it off. I am going to use my MAC Dark Deep Makeup finishing powder, and I'm going to just blend that on out. So this is what it looks like after you put your powder on your wig cap. And now it's time to apply my wig. Don't forget to cut this off. Cut this little area where your dome cap is covering your lace. Make sure you cut that off. Cut the lace, cut the lace, cut the lace. I'm done. I'm done with my wig, y'all. Isn't it so pretty? Ay, ay, ay. I love a big bang. I'm one of those girls that loves Fran off the nanny. I live for a bang. But anyway, you know, big hair. But anyway, I'm gonna give y'all a few deets. Let me hurry up because I know this video is kind of lengthy. But I purchased this hair from Discount Beauty Outlet on the west end of town. And I always shop with Eunice. He's like super awesome. And I mean, the best quality. Like, if you want, you're gonna have to pay a little money. You know, you can't be a Mr. Krabs, can't be super cheap. But they do have like other hair options if you if this hair may be out of your budget. But definitely go check them out. I really love this hair by Rio. It's Brazilian hair. It's 10A quality. This is the same brand of hair that I wore. If you follow my DolledbyDae page, it's the same hair that I had on with the blonde, same hair with the red. Boom, we coming back with the black, you know what I'm saying, like wet. So yeah, so like for real, I'm being silly, but I really love this hair. And I am wearing 26, I don't know if you can see, I'm super short. Wearing 26, 24, and 22-inch hair with a 12-inch 5x5 closure. And as you can see in the video of how I constructed the wig, and all the way down to installing it. I tried to keep it real quick so you guys won't get bored. But yes, inches. Hey. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm finally done. Once again, go to Discount Beauty Outlet, hit up my boy Eunice. He's going to take care of you. And yeah, pretty much that's it. Love this hair. I may do a follow-up video later if I change my style, because I probably will. This is a free part closure silk base. So yeah, so I definitely, if I might change it to the middle part or something like that. Y'all might see me in my makeup videos, but go follow my DolledbyDae page on Facebook, and yeah, support me. Okay, that's it. That's a word. That's it. That's good, Pastor. All right, yeah, have a good one. Bye.